Good evening, everyone. Welcome to StockPay. Today we'll discuss what we can expect from Nifty, Bank Nifty tomorrow, and from some stocks. And we also go through what happened today in a brief. So for tomorrow, if you look into the Nifty chart, so today it is completely opened with gap down and tried to fill the gap slowly, and it is not so that attractive for the day. So it just filled the gap and kept it. And if we look into the chart for tomorrow, means we are expecting some good movement tomorrow as it is completely consolidating in a narrow range. So we can expect some good movement tomorrow. So if you see Nifty, so we are having very good support at 22,800 here. 22,800 to 820 is acting as a very good support from past 3-4 days. And tomorrow also the same level will act as a very good support. On the upside, we have 22,960 as a resistance. So as long as this 960 is not taken, then we can expect movement to 22,800. And below 22,800, there can be panic selling as because it's held for so many days. If it breaks, then we can see a very good fall in this. So for any reason, if it's sustaining about 22,960, then we can expect movement up to 23,130 to 140 levels. So these are the levels for Nifty tomorrow. 22,960 is the important key level for tomorrow. If it is breaking above, then we will buy it for 23,130. And it's trading below, we'll sell it for 22,800. And below 22,800, we can see more panic in the market. So next we'll look into Bank Nifty. So Bank Nifty, if you see today, it is also traded like today taken support around 49,180, 150 levels, and it is retraced a bit till 49,400. So for tomorrow, if you see, it is like a forming like a small regression channel, a small channel here. It is broken even though there, but again came back into the channel today. So for tomorrow, we have very good resistance around 49,550 to 600 levels. So as long as these levels are not taken, we can expect fall back to 49,100 or 49,080. Below this, we can expect more fall. It can fall up to another 300 to 400 points in Bank Nifty. So 49,100 is going to be a good support. As long as it is hold, it will try to bounce till 49,550 to 600. And below 49,100, we can see good fall. And above 49,600, it can go up to 50,000 levels on the upside. So these are the levels for Bank Nifty. And next we look into TCS. You see TCS, we have been bearish from almost like 4,100 levels or 4,150 levels like that. It's continuously falling and falling. And if we see today, it is formed like a kind of rounding bottom. Maybe there could be possibility of some upside in this because it is a very, very oversold zone as well. And if you see here also, like it is kind of buying divergence also formed in the 15-minute chart. So for tomorrow, we can have resistance around 3,800 here, 3,800 to 3,801. Above 3,800, we can see movement up to 3,834 to 3,832 to 34 levels. So above 3,800, we can expect movement up to 3,830 to 332 levels. And 38 is not taken, then it can fall back to 3,760. And if 3,760 is also broken, we can see fall up to another 25 to 30 points in the TCS. And next we'll look into Infosys. So Infosys also like formed like kind of support at 1,800 levels, so which we are expecting at this. No, we have been telling you that at 1920, once it fills the gap, it will fall. It is continuously fall until 1,800, and yesterday it took support at 1,800 and bounced a bit. And if you see today's support and this support, so somewhere around 1,820, it is having a very good support here. And 1,820 levels, if it is 1,819 and 20 is broken, then we can see fall up to 18,005 levels or even to 1,800 levels in the Infosys. And if this 1826 levels are taken, we can see movement up to 1844 on the upside. So 1826 is a key level for tomorrow. Above this, we'll buy for 1844. And as long as it is below, we can sell it for 1820 and 1818 to 20, and below that 1800 levels for Infosys. And next we'll look into SBI. So SBI is having, as expected, it is taken support at lower levels, and it has started inching up a bit. Again, we have very good resistance around these levels, 733, 34 levels. And above this, we have very good resistance around 748. So even we have resistance at 744 also, and we have resistance at 740 also. These are the small resistances. But overall, we can expect the major resistance is around 748. So above 733.34, we can expect movement up to 740, 744, and 748. And as long as it is trading below 732, it can fall back to 724. And 724 below, it can fall to 712 or even lower levels. So these are the key levels for SBI tomorrow. And next we look into ICICI Bank. ICICI Bank also traded in a very narrow range from past 1 week to 10 days. But even though we consider to find out some good levels for the ICICI Bank. So ICICI Bank is having very good support around 1238 to 42 levels. So as long as these levels are held, we can see movement up to 1252, above that 1264. So as long as it is trading below 52 levels, it can fall back to 1238, and even below 1238, it can fall to 1225 to 20 levels also. So these are the levels for ICICI Bank, and mark the levels and trade the levels. All the very best for tomorrow. Have a very good trading day.